Number one plant that purifies the air. Spider plant. It's very easy to multiply, very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. They fit into any small pot you have, any planter, DIY planter or whatever the planter you have. Easy to propagate in water, will root within no time. So this is one plant for beginner gardeners and you will see a lot of plants within a short period of time. What are the tips to keep this plant healthy and happy? Stay tuned to Tamara's Garden. Today the topic is top 5 tips you must know about the spider plant. Spider plant, easy to multiply by spiderates, easy to multiply by putting them in water. Propagate them in water. Remove a small plant from the mother plant and put it in water, and there you have another spider plant. So these are the beautiful indoor plants which purifies the air. So have this plant as an indoor plant too. So these spider plants are shade loving plants. Keep them in the partial to medium sunlight area. Tip number 1, do not locate them in the bright sunlight area. These plants will be really very happy and healthily growing in the partial sunlight area. So keep in mind, once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in a place where they get the medium to partial sunlight. These plants fit into any small size of pot, but within a year's time or when the plant matures, you can transfer them to larger pots. Here I have them in larger pots. So you will see the growth is amazing. You can do wonders with these plants because you can decorate your home garden with the spider plant. Their foliage is so beautiful. Take some garden soil, put some sand and also mix some cocoa peat, that is the soil mixture of the plant. Do not overwater this plant, give sparingly. When the top layer of the soil is dried out, you can water them. You don't need to water them every day. During the warm weathers, you will have to water them, checking the soil and water these plants. Only thing is, you don't have to water these plants during the rainy days, and you will have to shift them to a place where they will not get too much of rainy water as well. So that is another tip. These beautiful indoor plants will love organic fertilizers. You can use tea or coffee fertilizer of your choice. I use organic fertilizer and also suggest you all to use the same. So these plants will be really very healthily growing if you provide organic fertilizers like tea and coffee, because they are high in nutrients for these plants. During the hot weathers, you can give them liquid fertilizer, and during the rainy season, do not need to fertilize at all. Don't go to fertilize the plants during the rainy weathers. That is my personal experience, but if you prefer, you can give the powder form of the tea or coffee. So now these are the tips of caring for spider plant. And one more thing, friends. These beautiful greens will no wonder decorate your garden as decorative plants, and their beautiful foliage will give a elegant look to your garden. Wherever you keep it, make sure to keep it in a partial sunlight area. Do not overwater, and also the bright. They are not happy with the bright sunlight. Overwatering you must skip, and also you must check the soil when watering. Fertilize time to time if you prefer, and these plants are permanent and low maintenance. A beginner gardener can simply grow this plant easily. So these are the tips and tricks of growing spider plant. I hope you find it very useful. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, liking and sharing these videos with your family and friends. Thanks for your visit and appreciate your time. Thank you.